The teachers, under the banner of the Meghalaya SSA School Association and under the leadership of its president Aristotle RYMBUI, had taken out a protest march from Polo Grounds, Shillong towards the Meghalaya Secretariat on the 2nd of March 2022. However, on the way the procession was halted by the Meghalaya police, who kept them from proceeding towards the main Secretariat building where the Chamber of Education Minister LAHKMEN RYMBUI is situated. The teachers, who later assembled at the main road near the MBOSE office, were informed by district authorities that representatives of the association have been invited by the Education Minister for talks to discuss the issues faced by the teaching community. In the meanwhile, the teachers proceeded to the Mulki football ground to await word from their leaders regarding the outcome of talks with the state government. After the discussion with Education Minister LAHKMEN RYMBUI, the president of the Meghalaya SSA School Association informed that the Finance Department has agreed that within a week's time, the pending salary of the SSA teachers for the months of October and November 2021 will be paid from the state budget. On the other hand, the rest of the 3 months pending salary of December 2021, January and February 2022 will be paid to them as soon as the second installment is released by the central government.
Outcome of our meeting with the Honorable Education Minister, there are two things. Okay, first one, he have agreed to release our 2 months salary. That is for the month of October and November. That is from the capping norms. During the meeting, he have informed us that the Finance Department have agreed in principle to release from the capping norms out of 100 crores to release some amount so that the government will be in a position to pay our salary for 2 months, that is from October to November. And for the remaining 3 months, that is from December, January and February, the Honorable Education Minister have assured us that once he received the second installment from the Government of India, immediately he will release the pending 3 months. That is the outcome of the meeting.